And thankfully, we have 3 amazing techniques for memorization. Technique number 1 is called active recall, and this is by far the number 1 technique in all of effective studying, which I've done tons of videos on in the past over the last like 5 years. The idea behind active recall is basically we need to test ourselves. We have this erroneous assumption that to get information into our brain, we need to put it into our brain by kind of reading it or consuming it. But actually the way memory formation works is that to get information into our brain, we actually need to try and retrieve that information from our brain. So we read something once, we try and understand what the deal with that thing is, and then we test ourselves on the thing that we've just read or that we've just understood. And then we ideally want to repeat that testing of ourselves further down the line. And again, this is going to seem hard, but there is gallons and gallons of scientific evidence that says that testing yourself on stuff makes it far more likely for that stuff to stick. There's a fantastic book as well called Make It Stick, which is all about the science of effective learning. And what the authors of that book say is that generally, if you are unhappy with your grades or performance in any kind of test or any kind of exam, it just means that you're not testing yourself enough.